what are we going to call this today? Yo. This is so sick. So everyone's parking their cars, and look where Hiro is. Infamous snowplow. If there's any doubt, Infamous is tough. Yeah. Oh, Infamous. If you guys can't tell, the middle of my splitter is gone. Whoops. Sorry about that, Infamous. I learned that one from Daily Driven Exotics. Damon just ripped my splitter off.
There was a rabbit and it was actually running the coast.
Oh man, is it freezing out? Yes. How deep is the snow? Oh man. There it is. Yo. It's minus 15. And I was walking down the road where I went to take Kate to school yesterday. And guess what I found? My splitter. So I made it about 4 blocks yesterday in Hiro. In this deep snow, there's about a foot of snow before I ripped my splitter off. What are we going to call this today? Warmed up all the way to minus 12. Yikes. So you know you're having a good day. At least you've had some adventure. When your front splitter is in your passenger seat. It's too funny. back to winter. Winter setup. The snow shovel. It's just an old Avi shovel that I have. And these bags, crushed rock, they're just over 30 pounds each. So I've got about 130 pounds maybe. Right back, you know, pretty much right over my wheel wells. Put a tarp in here so nothing gets damaged. And they're solid, they don't move. And it's made a huge difference. Like, it's a world of difference in my grip. Because this is our road right now. Look at this snow pile. It's ridiculous. But when the snow is fresh and it starts to you know, get affected by sun and people's tires, it gets really slippery. So the extra weight in the back has been awesome. Decided after yesterday's fiasco, ripping my splitter off, I'd walk Kate to school today and found this. Oh man. Winter driving. Yikes. So anyone who wasn't watching my Instagram stories this week, we had a little trouble. First big day of snow, we had, you know, a solid foot of snow here. Drove my daughter to school, and like 3-4 blocks from here, got so much snow built up in the splitter that it actually snapped. And on either side, actually, these are self-tapping screws, and it snapped. If you can see really close there, it snapped where the screw was. So probably good that it snapped instead of ripping some bottom of my car apart. Anyways, you know, I'm sure this is where people will give me grief, like, dude, you should take your splitter off in the winter. It's just for fun, you know. I didn't spend a lot of money on the splitter setup, and I don't mind doing it again. But it was a blast because we were driving through this like blower deep snow, and you can see how much snow is in the grill. And the snow was actually blowing up over the windshield, like getting face shots in your car. So I think it was worth it, actually. And for now, I've got like this like double shark fin thing going on. It looks like I've got like a half a splitter, like I've got a corner splitter. So I think we'll just actually leave that for now. And I can't imagine those 3 screws that popped out did much damage. So all in all, not a bad accident. I was gonna say accident. Not too much damage. Not a bad day. Hilarious. Oh man. Oh, Hiro. Sorry about that. Otherwise, diffuser is still good. Side skirt's still good. The car is like dirty as you know what. Canards are hanging on there. But, that's winter driving. Winter driving Calgary. Love it. Oh yeah. And just for fun, gas here went up to like $1.36 or something. Brutal. Let's go see if we can't break something today.